Hello and welcome to Travel Chef. Today we are going to do a snack for the evening, and this is a snack which is had by mostly everyone in Kerala, and this is a very simple snack which can be made. This is called Pazham Pori in Malayalam, and this is a very tasty and very easy to make snack. For making Pazham Pori, people use atta to make the Pazham Pori, or they use maida. Here we have used a combination of maida and chembaputtu podi to make it a more nutritious snack. So let's see how to make it. Making Pazham Pori is a very simple task and it takes around 8 minutes. For this we need 3 ripe Kerala plantains, 1 cup of maida, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. The first step is to pour the flour into the bowl. Take a clean dry bowl for this. Then we add the baking soda. Now we add the sugar. So we add 3 teaspoons of sugar if the banana is not too ripe. But if the banana is less ripe, we do add it more sugar. Now we have added a new ingredient, chembaputtu podi, which we need to keep aside with 2 tablespoons. Now we pour the chembaputtu podi along with the mixture. Now we add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then we keep aside 1 glass of water that needs to be poured along with the mixture as we stir it. We continuously stir the ingredients to make them to form a batter, and it should be little liquidish form. Once the batter is ready, we need to keep it aside. Now we need to add a pinch of turmeric. Turmeric has its own taste and benefits, which also gives a little coloring to the Pazham Pori. Now we need to leave the mixture for half an hour for it to set. In the meantime, we start peeling up bananas. We cut the bananas into half and we slit it lengthwise. We have added a new ingredient as chembaputtu podi to this mixture, and we will provide you a description and a link as a link in the description box so that you can know where to buy this. It has its own health benefits and it's also very nutritious. Making Pazham Pori is very useful as a snack, and kids will always love it because of the sweetness. Now the batter is ready after 30 minutes. We take a clean dry tawa, place it on the stove, and we pour sufficient oil so that we can soak and fry the Pazham Pori when the oil is hot. Now we take the slit Pazhampori. We ensure that the batter is applied on both the sides of it, and we drop it into the frying pan. Please ensure that we don't overcrowd the frying pan with too much of pieces of banana or plantains, else they may not get cooked properly. Once the pieces of plantain are properly fried to a golden color, please turn it upside down for the next place to get fried evenly. Now the Pazhampori is all golden color, and next we place it in a plate with a tissue paper so that it can absorb the excess oil that comes out of the Pazhampori. Now we have fried all of Pazhampori pieces, and they are very tasty and smells good, and I request you all to try it. Also, please leave your comments if you have made it successfully. It will also help to encourage us with new better videos too. And using Chemba Pottu Podi is always nutritious once again, and we have provided a link in the description box just to show you what is the Chemba Pottu Podi that we have used for frying. I hope you like watching our videos, and I request you to share our videos with your friends too. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any positive comments or any criticisms which could help improve our channel, please type it in the comments box below. Well, until the next video, take care and see you soon.